Hey everyone, welcome to Rainmaker 3D. Today we're going to be discussing mechanical engineering. So, what exactly does a mechanical engineer do? Let's find out. Mechanical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. It applies the principles of physics, mathematics, and material science to create solutions that power our modern world. Mechanical engineering has ancient roots, dating back to the invention of simple machines like levers and pulleys. But it was during the Industrial Revolution, with inventions like the steam engine, that mechanical engineering truly transformed society. Today it encompasses everything from cars and airplanes to robots and renewable energy systems. So, what exactly do mechanical engineers do? Well, they're problem solvers, creators and innovators. Their job is to design mechanical systems that make our lives easier and our technology more efficient. This includes developing engines, manufacturing processes, heating and cooling systems, robotics, and even medical devices. For example, ever wondered how your car's engine worked? Or how an airplane stays in the air? Mechanical engineers are behind those designs, making sure these machines operate safely and efficiently. Let's break it down into some of the key areas of mechanical engineering. First, we have thermodynamics, which is the study of heat, energy, and their transformation. It's vital in designing engines, refrigerators, and HVAC systems. Next, we have fluid mechanics, which deals with the behavior of liquids and gases. This is crucial for things like designing hydraulic systems, water supply networks, and even understanding how airplanes fly. Material science is all about the understanding of properties of different materials, so engineers can choose the best ones for their projects. It's important when designing products that need to be strong, lightweight, or heat resistant, like in aerospace or automotive industries. Robotics and automation is another exciting area of mechanical engineering. From manufacturing robots to advanced prosthetics, engineers in this field are pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. Mechanical engineers use a wide range of tools and technology to bring their ideas to life. One of the most important tools is CAD software, or computer-aided design. This allows engineers to create precise 3D models of their designs before they're built. They also use 3D printing for rapid prototyping and testing, and finite element analysis to simulate how their designs will perform under real-world conditions like stress and temperature changes. The real-world applications of mechanical engineering are practically endless. Mechanical engineers are behind the development of automotive systems, engines, brakes, and vehicle aerodynamics, renewable energy, wind turbines, solar power systems, and energy storage solutions, manufacturing automation, industrial robots and assembly lines, medical devices, prosthetics, MRI machines, and surgical robots. If you're thinking about becoming a mechanical engineer, you'll be happy to know it's a field with a wide range of career opportunities. Mechanical engineers work in industries like aerospace, automotive, energy, robotics, and even healthcare. And the demand is only growing as new technologies emerge, from autonomous vehicles to sustainable energy solutions. If you're interested in pursuing a career in mechanical engineering, the first step is education. Most engineers start with a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, where they learn the fundamentals of the field and gain hands-on experience through labs and internships. From there, you can specialize in areas like aerospace, robotics, or renewable energy, and even go on to get advanced degrees in engineering management or research. Mechanical engineering is a dynamic and essential field that's all about innovation and solving real-world problems. Whether it's designing more efficient engines, developing robots, or creating renewable energy solutions, mechanical engineers are shaping the future. So, if you're passionate about building and creating, mechanical engineering might just be the perfect career for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Rainmaker 3D for more videos about engineering, technology, and innovation.